so today's video, I'm using the realistic hand. I did a quick review on this previously, and please check the link in the description box, or I'll put a link on the top of the screen. Check that out if you haven't already, but I'll just be in and out of this video telling you guys a few tips on how I found using this hand. Like, comment and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and share, please. Don't forget to leave a comment either. It'd be nice to know who's watching. And follow my Instagram as well, you guys, SZNBEAUTY. I'll try to be posting more reels on there as well, so check that out. And also, I'm just saying that I am trying my best to put a video out at least every week, as long. And once I get to a point where I know what dates are good for me to post, I will let you guys know. But so far right now, I'll just be posting on random dates. Just make sure you turn your notifications on, and you will be the first to be notified that I've got a video up. And yeah, so let's keep watching. Also guys, as you notice, like with blending ombre colors, it's really good to have a wet bead. Well, not too wet, but just a wet bead for the middle, the blending part, so it just blends easier and smoothly. I went back and I just did a bit of blending, before any filing. When I used the drill, that was a different story. It wasn't too bad, I'd say. It's just the hand filing was the difficult part. Applying acrylic, it was quite easy. I feel like I'm going to practice with this more, getting close to the cuticle and getting a nice cuticle bead. This would be the best thing that I'm going to start using just to practice on that. I'm just trying to perfect my cuticle bead. So this is the finished look. I really like how it came out. I went ahead and did a nail art video with this, but that will be posted on my Instagram at SZNBEAUTY. Check that out, follow please, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.